Good morning, dear students. I welcome you to this live session, and today we are going to discuss the topic which we have already started, that is ratio and proportion at level 7, but this can be of help to others also, because this gives you the basic idea of how to move about with these type of questions. We have already discussed what is ratio and proportion, and not proportion yet. What is ratio? We have done some questions on that as well, and today we are going to see more questions on that, so that you are benefited from the practice questions which we take up today. Just a minute, let me welcome you all. Yes, children, I welcome you. And here's a good morning wish to all of you. Stay safe, stay happy. Today, I welcome you to this live session for class 7 mathematics. To very interesting topic, ratio and proportion. And we are at present dealing with ratios. This is the second live session for this topic, that is ratio and proportion. We have understood what ratios are, and now we are going to deal with some more questions on ratio and proportion, so that everything is clear to you. You are able to do the questions more fluently, more easily. I am taking up a question for which I need to draw a figure as well. This will be the first question for today's session. And there's a rectangle given to me in the question. Inside the rectangle, there is another small rectangle, and some dimensions are mentioned in the figure, which is 5 meter this side. Then it is 12 meter here. And it is given, this area is given to be, this side is given 3 meter, and this area is given 4 meter. This length is given 4 meter. Now let me read the question to you. What the question is saying: the given figure shows a small garden. This is a small garden. This whole thing is a small garden, in which this is the grass area and this is the flower area. Alright. The given figure shows a small garden. The shaded area is reserved for planting flowers, and the rest of the area is for grass. We have to find the ratio of the area of the garden reserved for planting flowers to the area reserved for grass. What we have to find? Let's write over here. To find ratio of area for, let me confirm, for flowers to the area for grass. To solve this question, we should be getting the area of the flower, area reserved for flowers and area reserved for grass. Once we have the area, we will be able to find out the ratio of the two. So let's get down to find out the area of the flower first. Area reserved for flower. Area reserved for flowers will be equal to length into breadth. Now what is the length of this flower bed going to be? Look very carefully. This whole thing is 12, out of which this is 4. So what will be the length of this portion? Can you tell me? What will be the length of this portion? I would like to hear from you. Meanwhile, I am writing it down and let's see. Do the answers tally? The breadth is already given to me 3 meter. So can I see the answer from you? Yes, the first answer has come from Ashvi Chitkara. Then Gauri Sharma. Very good. This will be 12 minus 4 equal to 8 meter. The breadth is given to me 3 meters. So the area of flowers or the area reserved for flowers will be equal to 8 into 3 is equal to 24 meter square. Now to find the area reserved for grass, it will be the total area minus the area reserved for flowers. So we move on to the second part. Area reserved for grass is equal to total area minus flower area, means the area reserved for flower. Total area is 5 into 12. 5 into 12, that is length into breadth, total length, total breadth, minus 24. So I have here 5 12s are 60 minus 24 is equal to 36 meters square. Now I have both the areas and now I simply want to find the ratio of the area of flowers to the area of grass. So I write over here required ratio will be equal to, what is the area of flowers? That is 24 ratio 36. That's the area of the grass. We have to find it in the lowest term. So I divide. By the table of 12 I am dividing. You can do the way you feel comfortable. 12 2s are 12 3s are is equal to 2 ratio 3 is the answer to this question. If this is clear, it's a long question. You can have a look. Can I hear from you? Yes, you have got it. Yes, I got the first thumbs up. And more are rolling as well. It means some answers are also rolling. Very good, children. So this is clear to you. We will move on to the second question for today. Now, the next question is another type of question which we do in ratios. This is a new type question. Try to understand carefully. If the ratio of the length and the breadth of a rectangle is 5:3 and the perimeter is 144 meter, find the length of the rectangle. It is given ratio of length to breadth of rectangle is equal to 5:3. You know, always the longer one is the length and shorter one is the breadth. And its perimeter is equal to 144 meter. Whenever things are given in the ratio, these are in the lowest term. So if we have to assume the required dimension, then we take it like this. Okay. Let the length and breadth equal to 5x and 3x, because this is the ratio and this is taken as the actual dimension. Then we have the formula for perimeter. Twice of L plus B is equal to the perimeter. This you all know, children, right? We all know very easily. We have done this earlier. So 2 into L is 5x plus 3x, and the perimeter given to me is 144. So I get over here 2 into 8x is equal to 144. 16x is equal to 144. X is equal to 144 upon 16. Now let's see this. By the table of 2, I get 8 here and I get 72 here. By the 8, how many times is 8 to give you 72? It's 9 times. 8 ones are 8 nines is 72. So I get x is equal to 9. In the question, what is asked from me? Okay, what is asked from me? We have to find the length. And it is given L is equal to 5x is equal to 5 into 9 equals 45. The unit is meter. So this becomes the answer. 45 meter becomes the answer because length is equal to 5x. Alright children. Then we move on to the next question. And the next question is, here we have divide rupees 7400 among 3 people in the ratio of 3:5:12. Now this is another type of question, okay? What the question is, we have to divide rupees 00 in the ratio just 3:5:12. When we have to divide the given number in this ratio, this question also can be done like this. So this is the second method. Try to understand this. What we can do in these questions is, we take the sum of ratio. We add the total ratios given to us. Sum of ratio is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 12 is equal to 20. Sum of ratios is 3 plus 5 plus 12, which gives me 20. Now, the first share, this is given A ratio B ratio C. So if I have to find A's share, this is how we find the share in these type of questions. Listen carefully. A's share will be equal to, जो A का ratio है, we'll write the formula for 1 so that you can remember. Given ratio upon sum of ratio. Okay? Given ratio upon sum of ratio into whatever is given to us. Here it will be 7400. हमने 7400 को divide करना है. Okay? So let's see now. So given ratio is 3 upon 20 into 7400. 0 goes by 0. I get over here 2 और यहाँ पे आएगा 370, which is equal to rupees 0. 7 3 is 21, carry 2, 3 3 is 9, 10, 11. Okay. This we have got the share of one of them. Same way we will find the share of the other two as well. Exactly same method. Now B's share, now I will not write the formula, will be equal to B ka ratio upon sum of ratio into 100. Sorry, not into 100, into the given number, that is 7400. So 0 goes by 0. Here I get 370. Multiplying the 2, I will get rupees 0. 5 7 is 35, carry 3. 5 is 15 and 18. Rupees 1850. And last we have C's share. Same way we will find C's share. I am solving this. Meanwhile, you also solve and give me the answer. What will be the share of C? Is equal to 12 upon 20 into 7400. So here I get 370 is equal to rupees 12 12 sevens are 84, carry 8, 12 fours are 36 and 8 44. One answer I can see from Vidyotma, C's share, then Mokshita as well. So these are the three required answers. A's share, this is B's share, and here we have C's share. So these are the two methods by which a particular question can be solved. If what we have done till now आ गया है समझ, तो आ जाए एक thumbs up. Okay, I got it. Now the next question which I am taking for today, the fourth one for today's session, and the question will be the angles of the quadrilateral are in the ratio angles of a quadrilateral are in ratio 1:2:3:4, and the sum of the angles of quadrilateral is, we all know, sum of angles of, I am drawing the quadrilateral symbol, is equal to 360 degrees. And what is the question? We have to find all the angles. So here I am saying, taking, let the angles be 1x, 2x, 3x and 4x. So I get 1x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 360. Right? We have used this method. So I get 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 10. 10x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 upon 10 equals 36 degree. Right? Now I'll report the answer. All the four angles will be 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x is equal to 36 degree, equal to 2 into 36 equals 72 degrees, equals 3 into 36, 6 3s are 18, 8 carry 1, 108 degrees, and equals, sorry, not 3, 4 into 36 is equal to 144 degrees. This is how we will get all the four required angles. Right, children? Okay. Moving on to the next question, that is the fifth question for today. And the question says, let's have the fifth question, first part, and we'll do one more part for this type of question. It is given A ratio B is equal to 5:7. Then it is given B ratio C is equal to 14:15. And we have to find A ratio C. Very looking कैसे निकलेगा, but it's very easy question. What we are going to do is A upon B multiplied by B upon C. क्योंकि हमें दिख रहा है by doing this B और B कट जाएगा, A upon C आ जाएगा, which will be A ratio C. So is equal to 5 upon 7 multiplied by 14 upon 15. Okay. So 7 ones are, 7 twos are, 5 ones are, 3s are. I get A ratio C is equal to 2 ratio 3. If you have understood this, can I hear from you? And one more of this type I am going to take, and we'll stop the today's session at this question. It is given to me L ratio M is equal to 1.5 ratio 1 whole 3 upon 4, and is given M ratio N is equal to 2 whole 1 by 3 ratio 4 whole 1 by 5. And we have to find in this question L ratio N. L ratio N will be again multiplying the 2, and we are going to get the we are going to get the required ratio in this question. Right, children? So let's do this question first. L ratio M, it will be equal to, let's convert this, 2 ones are 2 and 1, 3 whole 1 upon 2. Okay. First let's solve this. Divided by 4 ones are 4 and 3, 7 upon 4. Right. This has to be multiplied with 3 twos are 6 and 1, 7 upon 3 divided by 21 upon 5. And we are going to solve this. I get 3 upon 2 into 4 upon 7 multiplied by 7 upon 3 into 5 upon 21. 7 ones are, 7 threes are. So I get over here, and 2 ones are 2. I get over here 6 upon 7 multiplied by 5 upon 9. Right? 2s are, 3s are. So I get over here 10 upon 21 is equal to 10 ratio 21 is the answer to this question. You can have a look at this question. Alright, children. Have a look at this, and then we will move on to the next one. There is a second part to this question also. We will be doing this second part, and alright. Okay, so the session is long enough today. We'll do this in the next session. Till then, children, bye-bye. Be safe, keep at home, wear a mask, and advise others to do so. Bye-bye, children.